Yo, what's up, hold up, 1 second. Yo, what's up, everyone? It's SeiZo RJC. I got my mask and I'm ready to go. I just want to preface this video by saying 2 years ago when I used to work at Amazon, I'd come home to this dark and dreary room. It was so depressing, just coming home, just darkness, I had the dresser right there, just the bed, and that's it. So I was like, you know what? Hopefully one day I'll get a setup. And after working hard, getting some stuff together, this is the culmination of those 2 years. So enjoy the video. All right, so we're gonna start off with this area. I got the posters up. I got Zora right there, PlayStation picture. That's a picture of a scene from Sekiro. I just had to put something on the wall to cover up the space that was there. That's Mount Fuji, I believe, in Japan. And then it's broad daylight right now, but I got the thick curtains to keep in here dark for certain, if I'm doing videos or anything like that, or if I don't need glare. Stuff, what I'm saying? Just keep the room dark. That right there I got for, I think it was Christmas. I got it for my niece. I was really thankful for that. It was nice. And I got this bed set. We got the cat mix and cat food on deck for Scar. He's always hungry. You know what I'm saying? Scar's my cat, by the way. Don't mind some clothes that just came out the wash. Don't mind that. I have my art space right here. I can draw. It's a little something I'm starting to draw. I just started drawing that. I got the color pencils, feel me? Artistic, what I'm saying? Just to get the colors in. You'll see in the Zoro drawing I did, colored that out. Really. Over the past couple years, I slowly ordered the stuff off of Amazon. The most recent thing I got was that Tupac poster. It's pretty nice. A picture of me, a picture of my nephew, a picture of my niece, a picture of me and my homeboy from when we were kids. Shout out to Gio. Let's get it. That's the first poster I ever got. Is that the first? No. I'm tweaking. That's the first poster I ever got. That poster right there is the first poster I ever got. And then after that, I just built on it. It was this one, and I believe it was that one. Yeah, first 2 posters. Then over time, I ordered that one, which is the Naruto, you know what I'm saying, Attack on Titan. Then I got the, the Straw Hat Crew. You got Usopp, Nami, all of them. Luffy, And yeah, I got the Demon Slayer. And those are the 2 drawings I did right here. I drew this one, and then I drew this one. This is the color pencils I was talking about. I got that going on. Controller shell. An award for my nephew. And now let's get on to this. So right here I got, I think it's a 27, I want to say it's a 27-inch Samsung curved monitor. 1 millisecond refresh rate. And then I got, for the vertical monitor, I got an Asus monitor, and I just turned it vertically. And I figured, I just guessed it'll be the same height, but it ended up actually being the same height as my 4K TV. So this is my 4K Sony Bravia TV. As you can see right now, I'm playing Fortnite with the boys. I got this mic. It is the BM800. It's kind of cheap side, but during this pandemic, there was a lot of price gouging. It was hard to get a mic. And then there is the One Audio. I think that's what it's called. These headphones are a beast. Like, these headphones are truly a beast. If you check right here, it has a port right here and a port right there. And you can use, like, say if you want someone to listen with you, you can plug their thing in here, and then you can listen to both of them. It's also Bluetooth. The battery life on this is amazing. Like, I've only charged this once since I got it, and I've had it for a month. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And then, seeing as that I have that for the mic, for the streaming and making videos and whatnot, I have another mic that runs straight into my PlayStation for the party chat to hear me. So whenever I'm speaking, this is what they're hearing me from. Whenever I'm speaking to the stream or whatever, this is what I'm speaking through. There's Scar again, just chilling. Now right here, I got the Elgato Stream Deck. This is a very versatile tool. It's a controller I can use to switch between scenes. Hold up, I can even show you guys right now. If I just jump from my PlayStation to my PC, boom. If I open up OBS now, as you can see, I got my setup right there. So let's say I want to change the scene. I just click one of these bad boys. I got them pre-programmed to go live, do that. Go to start screen, go to intermission, be right back, stream ending, offline, etc., etc. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's editor SeiZo here. Just wanted to let you guys know that I do stream on Twitch. I forgot to say that in the video. Follow me on Twitch. It's gonna be written on the screen, so check me out. We have fun over there, and all right, I'm gonna bring you back to the video. So yeah, that's what that's for. Got 2 controllers, and this keyboard and mouse I don't really know much about. I just got them as a deal pack, but it says it's the Hermes. Yeah, the Hermes E1A. It's a pretty good keyboard and mouse. Not even gonna hold you. And now let's get to this. Now this right here, this is my baby. This PC is a build I did myself. I got all the parts. I'm running 16 gigabytes of RAM. Let's see, I'm running a Ryzen 3 chipset. I'm running a Ryzen 3 chip in there. As you can see, I don't have a graphics card, and I'll tell you the reason why in a second. I got a 4K Elgato capture card. I got my PS4 ran through that. If I want to stream PC content, which I don't do often, but I'll just rerun the wires differently so that that can capture what's playing on the desktop. Now I have some RGB lights in there. I got the All Might in there, and I'm running a MSI MPG Gaming Edge motherboard. I recommend it. It's a pretty nice motherboard. I'm going to in the future get a graphics card, and here's why I don't have one now. This PC Originally, it was just for streaming. I was just gonna do console streaming. I wasn't gonna get on PC. But now that I've been on PC, especially with Among Us, games like Among Us I can run fairly fine and stream on this without a graphics card because of the Ryzen 3 and their integrated graphics. It's actually pretty nice. But without a graphics card, I can do small games like Among Us. But like big AAA games like GTA or 2K or anything like that, if I want to play it, not 2K, I'm not playing 2K on PC. What are you, crazy? GTA on PC. If I'm gonna play something like that, I'm gonna need a crazy powerful graphics card. So I was gonna save up and get a really nice one. But as for now, it does its job. It doesn't go too slow on me. I can edit 4K videos, and it's pretty nice. I know you guys are wondering. The PC case, yes, I did take off the glass. I took off the glass and that because, for one, the glass being off, the glass is like kind of tinted, so it would block off the light a little bit. This makes it way brighter, so I like it this way. You know, I just like the glass not having being there. Two, there's way better airflow. I can feel the air coming through here. It's way better airflow. Even though my PC wasn't really getting hot, it's still way better airflow in my opinion. And three, the reason why I don't have any glass on my thing is because, say for like cleaning, yes, it will get dustier, but I can just easily just get an air duster and just clear it out, you know? And yeah, I just think it looks cool without the glass. And now let's talk about wire management. My wire management is not the best, but what I did was I ran all the cords behind the TV. I'm gonna fix that. That is bugging me a little bit. I'm gonna fix that way better. I ran the cords behind the TV, and then I did tie straps. So as you can see there, you see a little bit of cords, but there's way more cords back there. They're all being blocked off by a little riser I have the TV sitting on. I don't know if you can see it through there behind the PS4, but there's a lot of cords that I tied up using zip ties, and then I braided the cables, brought them down behind here, and then hid them behind my soundbar. So as you can see here, I wanted to get them all to be one wire. Don't mind this wire. This is just my controller charger. I wanted them to all be that one braided wire, but that wire is for the PC itself, and it's kind of short, so I just had to run it like that. But everything is being hidden behind my Sony soundbar. If I take you around over to here, you can see I got the power strip and a bunch of cords back there. So I think I hit it pretty well, especially with this nice carpet here. And oh yeah, that's the original case for my PC. I took it off and I put it there just to kind of hide the plugs, because there's another extension cord right there, but it's behind that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's my setup. Be sure to leave a comment, like, follow, subscribe, and yeah, catch you in the next video.